I know, once again, you're probably thinking, what about the budge entrance? But no, not today. Today is going to be started off with this. Please be, please be, please be. Are you actually kidding me? I'm getting all the power ponies, man. Oh, for God's sake. I mean, I'm bothered. I mean, I'm not bothered, but I am bothered, if you know what I mean. Because I want Luna. I want Luna, damn it. Now tell me I've been looking in the wrong boxes. Because I swear, if I have, I'm going to laugh, scream, and then delete this. Princess Luna. Unlock. Ultra rare. There you go. Ultra rare. Philly second was ultra rare. There's no other ultra rare ones on here, I don't think. Power ponies, at least. Nope. Ah, well. Should I open a common pack with, shall I? I could get coins for bits, boosts for gems, but I have to pay money to get gems. What is the world coming to? Right, anyway, excitement aside, let's start with today's, video properly. Yeah, no, sorry, Philly second. Actually, yeah, you know what? Might as well. Right, full team of power ponies. Hooray, I suppose. My angles have been off. Oh, will you leave me alone? Jeez. Also, I swear these balls go through, hoops sometimes. They go through these tombstone things. I swear they do. Wow. I only needed to shoot once. That was mental. Oh, jeez. I forgot that she was at an angle there. Yeah, I got the crate. Chest. Crate. What am I on about? Okay, what? How am I supposed to... Ah. That was not nice. Hasbro Blee. Gameloft be playing dirty now. That's just no. That's not nice, man. Can't be doing that to me. Just you leave my ponies alone. Okay? You leave them alone. Oh, thank God, Twilight. You saved the day there. Well, mind you, that's what you're supposed to do. You're a power pony. Whoa. Applejack's getting really expensive to level up, you know? And I mean really expensive. Are you satisfied now? It took you long enough. Very well, move along. I have a dress rehearsal to prepare for. Oh, do you now? I'm so close to getting that box. It appears a few important props have gone missing for the play. Is no one paying attention around here? Boy, this mayor is really passionate about our line of work. We'll have to do a dry run of the play first and then get them fitted for costumes. And apparently I had your glasses, though for what reason I cannot say. Look, I found them, okay? Don't judge me.
You can watch an ad to earn a free boost.
Yeah, nope. Go on, Twilight. Oh no, it's a speed challenge. Lovely. Absolutely hunky-dory. Not even going to say how annoying that is, right? Damn it, bro. Sorry about that, guys. If he calls again, I'm just going to, like, you know, just going to have to sort that out. He's my brother, Lewis Ninja Q. Also a YouTuber, may I add. Right. After that rude disruption, mind you, I can't call it rude because he didn't know. He wasn't to know I was recording. Damn it. Sorry, Pinky. I tried. Why are they all going for Philly second? Pinky. What I need to do is I need to... No. Yeah. No. That could actually be a sound strat. What I need to do is I need to start assessing my, like, board to see the players that do damage and then just, like, try and take them out first. That could actually work. What? What have I done? What have I done? Okay. Didn't know it could do that. Editing whilst videoing. That's... that's weird. Secret unlocked, I suppose. I was going to find out sooner or later, wasn't I? Anyway. Let's focus on this now. I'd rather not die. Don't. I hate these blockers, man. Yeah, I saw you up there, you little Wendigo. Thinking you're all big and bad. Just like that, the day is won. Tired, man. Gonna have to get an early night's sleep. What time is it? 18:37. Not too late. Thanks for returning those glasses. Unfortunately, they won't do much good without the pearl necklace that's missing from the ensemble. Move along. Okay, Stormtrooper. Move along. We need to keep the stage clear at all times. Roger, I guess. Doesn't bother me none. Right. Derpy! How you doing, my old friend? Have I already done this? I don't think I have. Okay, I guess. Let's go with the Power Ponies with Pinky leading up this time. You know, I might call this video just Power Ponies, that's it. Yeah, AJ, take over. You had your chance, Pinky, you blew it. Right. Oh, they're not glowing red, that means they don't advance. Okay, I'm moving this now. Oh, it's one of these ones. Oh, I hate these ones. No, don't you... What? I said don't shoot. Can't touch this. Let's go. Completely wrong song. Whoa. I just defeated a shield dude by hitting him by the front. That makes sense, I guess. Mind you, it was a double hit, so does that count, like, from the side, maybe? Damn it! Oh, it still didn't hit. Go on, AJ. Oh, no, you don't. I see you in there, you little Wendigo. Done. Dusted. Hope you have fun. You got a lot to discuss on the bus heading back where you're from. No. 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 Woo! Shot. Huh. That should have been a double hit, but no, it wasn't. I saw ya, little punk. Why does Applejack shoot so many glowing balls, man? Why do I get the feeling this isn't going to be a timed one anymore? And if I screw this up, they're all just going to attack and literally screw me over. Wow. Wow. Okay. Twilight's doing work. Yeah, look, they do. They teleport through rock. I told you guys. Well, more shift than teleport. Wahey! Now we're back to timing again. Oh, damn tombstone. Blocking my shots. How dare you? No, stupid blocker. Could have just cost me my life there, pal. Twilight, deal with him. Thank you. You know what would be a cool feature in this? But it'd be like really OP. Is if like you could shoot as one pony, change to another pony, and then shoot as that pony. But like the balls don't disappear from the other pony. If that makes any sense whatsoever. Well, hey. And the day is one once again. Right, now I've got to go find Derpy her muffins. By the looks of things. You're really good at this. Do you want another hat I found? This one's purple. Purple hat? That's Scootaloo's helmet. What are you doing with it? I've given up. I've given up asking. Hi, Maud. 3 level 16s. 1 pink, 1 green. Might not be able to live with that. Yeah, no, I can't live with it. Damn it. Right. See you later, Maud. I gotta... Thank you very much. I gotta go. This way. To infinity and beyond. Sweetie Belle. Why do you want me for, Sweetie Belle? Thanks again for returning my backpack, but it looks like there's something missing from it. It's my sister Rarity's photo album, the book, and it's really special to her. Can you help me find it? Nope, because I already got it for you, kid. Don't worry, I got your back, Sweetie Belle. Right, yeah, maybe I'm going to have to start putting AJ, my top striker, in the middle, so that way she has entrance to both angles, like that, you know. You see what I'm talking about now? Just makes life a whole lot easier for me. Because Applejack is the main one that I use for these. She is a very hard striker. Oh, no, you don't. I saw you, little puff wudgie. I feel so wrong saying that, you know. Like, it just shouldn't be allowed to be a name. Oh, it's a progressive. Very fast progressive. Damn it, Wendigo. Hit again. Hit again. Whoa. I saw that Wendigo just as it went to shoot. Another Wendigo. Yes. Applejack doing work. Again. Go for that corner because that's where the puff wedgie is. Sorry, Pinky. Damn it. Leave Pinkie Pie alone. That worked, I suppose. I see ya. What you trying to think you doing? Okay. Ooh, message. Wonder what it is. Go on, Pinky. All I see is just a blur of purple on the screen. That ain't good, man. Wow, Twilight is doing work. And Twilight won us today. Wow. That was surprising. I ain't gonna lie. That really surprised me, that did. Pinky's now ready to level up. You saved the day again. Rarity will be happy to know a photo album is safe and sound. That's nice to hear. Have you visited the outdoor theatre yet? Raspberry Beret is casting for a school play. Guys, I think I've done this out of order. Yeah, well, rumour has it Twilight Sparkle is going to announce the winner of the Pocket Pony Championship there. So exciting. It shall be me! And I've got this box. I wonder who it is. I'm a challenger. Didn't I just open one of these? No, this is a rare box. Ah! Sleigh bell. Are you actually... What the heck? That's mad. Sleigh bell. That's actually pretty cool. Wow. Reindeer shield protects all ponies with a one-hit shield. That's actually pretty mad, you know. You know, I'm putting that as the title to this video. Sleigh belt. Whoa. That's going to haunt my nightmares for a while. Wow. I haven't been here in time. Oh yeah, Scootaloo's in Rainbow Dash's classroom. Oh, my usual favourite sparkly bit isn't on there, in the trophy cabinet. Also, how have I got 25 gems already? No, Twilight Shift. Right, we're 18 minutes in. I'm thinking about making this a half-hour long video. This could be a special. Maybe. That was deep. Maybe. Boom. Damn shield blocker. Knew it. Knew it. Haha. You clownfish. Oh, you think you bad? You think you something to cry about, do ya? It's funny when people try to act all intimidating. Shot. They should have it so like you could break the shield maybe. Instead of just like, nope, you shall not pass. They should have it so like you could break the shield. Damage. Should have left that dude to Twilight. So they're thinking, don't! Right now. You know, it's fun seeing all of the changeling combinations that the people come up with, because it's just like fun destroying them. Oh, what a pretty combination. Oh well. It was good whilst it lasted. Thanks for clearing it up for me, Twilight. Fireball. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Right. Good game, good game. You can probably teach me a thing or two by now. Gee, you don't say. With that helmet you brought me, I'll be able to practice all day long. Let's catch up soon. Possibly, kid. Possibly. That's it. You're not going to give me nothing, no? Oh, fine. I see how it is. Right, who wants me now? You're going to have to find out next episode. See you later, guys.